Hi guys, let's start today's topic, that is the basic logical functions. So in this video I'll cover all the if, error, switch and or conditions, and in the end I'll just try to understand what's different between if and switch and and give some practical in this. So if you're still writing the complex nested if formulas in the Power BI, so you are still doing the hard way. In this video, I will show you the logical functions and the smarter way to using the switch. Let's jump on the topic. First, try to understand what is the basic logical functions in the Power BI. So there is a if error, switch and or. So if is basically give the condition. If condition is met, then give the result true, otherwise not, so will give the false result. If error, if there is some error in that value, you will get some error and you will find the error, what error is coming there. Switch basically the expressions against the list of the value and return the multiple possibilities or possible expressions. So and is simply logical 1 and logical 2. If both conditions are the match, then give the result. If not, will not give the result. Or condition, if the condition logical 1 is true or the logical 2 is true, both condition, either this is true and that is true, will give the result. Let's try to jump on switch and try to understand more about the switch. Switch basically expression or evaluates an expression against the list of the returns and one of the multiple possible expressions, right? What is the syntax of the switch? Switch syntax is like you have to give the switch expressions value 1 and value 2, and value 1 result 1, value 2 result 2. So that is a switch, basically the syntax is. Let's try to jump on the Power BI and do it that practical. All right, so I'll delete that formulas from here and do it from the scratch. I'm just deleting the formula which I did earlier. I'll do it in front of you so that you can try to understand. First, I'll just search the formula if conditions. In the if conditions, let's jump on the customer lookup. In the customer lookup, search the customer lookup. See, there's a customer, there's a parents, children, parents, all right. So there's a total children. Let's do the one more column here is the parents. Is there a column in the parents here? If yes, then we delete it. Delete from the model. We'll do the same formula here. All right. So click on the customer and add a new column. Give the name of your column, that was, let's suppose, parents, right, is equal to shift down conditions if. All right, if condition is like logical test is suppose customer children's total children's greater than 0, then what happened? Give the result as a yes. Remove it, put the condition yes, if not match, put the condition no, right, close bracket, that is the one. So if there's a parents available, give the year no, other yes. In the all no, there would be 0. Let's jump on that. See, the all are the 0. Switch in the other thing, that was the yes. If yes, then put the number, or if there's a number, all would be the yes. So that is a simple yes condition. Let's take it a nested nested if condition. let's jump on the calendar table. In the calendar table, there is a month. If suppose there is a month, I need to write down the month in the text way. So let's try to do it. Add a column and put the name as a month name, DAX condition here. So I'll just put the DAX so that we can understand it is coming through the DAX, right? That is a name. Hit the enter, put the condition. What condition? First condition. First condition is month. Month is what? Is equal to the 1. Then give the name Jan. If not, put the another condition, that is calendar table month, and if it's a true, then give the fab. If not, we'll give the another condition and put again, give the name. Let's suppose 3 is the March, and give the so many condition we can give. Let's suppose, let's wrap up and give the other. If not matching, give the other, and close this parenthesis and close this one also, close this one also, all closed. So see, this is closed here, this is closed here, and this is closed here, and hit the enter. If you hit the enter, you will get the result. Like in other, there was a Feb, March, April, and okay. So you can see here, right? You can see in the month, right? So that is the one thing. Second thing is, let's suppose this is so many if condition there. So you can use the switch in this. So how can we use the switch in this? Let's remove all condition. Do it as switch simply. All right. Hit the enter. Give the column name. Where is the column located? It is the calendar lookup table. Comma. Let's suppose is the 1. Will give what? Is the Jan. Comma. Okay. One more, the shortcut key. You can use the Shift Alt down, arrow down. Shift Alt arrow down. You can do whatever you want. Let's suppose you'll give it a 2. Here I'll give the 3. Here I'll give the 4 and the 5 and the 6 and the 7 and the 8. Control 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's one more thing, is it 12? Remove the in from the end. So Jan is a Feb, it's a March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and last December. Or I think all covered. Then shift enter, and give the parenthesis close and hit the enter. See, I'll just remove this. July is a July, so switch function is working fine. See, go down September, go down January, go down February, March, April, so on. So these are the if conditions and the switch condition. We can use it. Let's take another example. If condition of the true and false, let's jump on the product lookup table for using it. Let's save it. product lookup table. Where is that? That is that. All right, so I'll just give the name of here. Name is what? The pricing name is high, mid, or low. Let's suppose our benchmark is 500, 100, and so on. So let's jump on it. I'll create a one more column. This condition. All right, so give the name, price. Oh, suddenly I hit the enter. I should not do. Go there one more time and give the condition here. Condition is like price. First need to give the name, point, like switch as we did earlier. Enter. Let's suppose give the product name, product price. What is product price located is the product table. So product lookup, product price, product prices. Let's suppose condition is 500, like high. Let's suppose product lookup, price is let's suppose 100 is mid range, and if the condition is not matching, then we'll give the low. But see closely one more thing. If I'll hit the enter, it will give the error. Why? I'll come on the point. See, there is error. Why it is error? Because switch condition does not support the comparing value type the true and false. So in that condition, what will I do? Simply you should go there and give the condition is it true. Condition give the true, right? And the comma. And that time it will work properly. See, is a low, mid, and high range would be also there in this. See, some is a high also. So these are the total concept regarding the switch. So in the next topic, we'll do one thing. We'll take in some logical assignment. In that assignment, I'll just cover all the logical related things. So stay tuned. See you in the next lecture.